Now we are going to discuss the question from Signals and Systems given in GATE 1998. So here the trigonometric Fourier series of a periodic even time function. This is periodic even time function can have only, so given it as the sine, cosine terms, sine terms, cosine and sine terms, DC and cosine terms. So here the answer is the DC and cosine terms. Now we will see the solution for this. So coming to the trigonometric Fourier series. So we have f of t equals to, that is a naught plus summation n equals to 1 to infinity an cos n omega naught t plus bn sin n omega naught t. So here this is the trigonometric Fourier series. Now taking the taking the expressions for this a naught equals to, this is having the expression 1 by t. I am considering this is minus t by 2 to over the period t. I am taking it as minus t by 2 to t by 2 f of t dt, and an equals to 2 by t integral minus t by 2 to t by 2 f of t into cos n omega t dt, and bn equals to 2 by t integral minus t by 2 to t by 2. This is f of t into sin n omega t dt. So this is the expression. Now here given that f of t as an even function, f of t is the even function here given. So by observing we know that the integral of some minus t by 2 to t by 2 some even function is equals to this is 2 by t into integral 0 to t by 2 f of t dt. Like this we will get. So coming to the an 2 by t, this is minus t by 2 to t by 2. F of t is the even function, and we know that cos n omega naught t is n omega t is also the cosine function, is also the even function. So the multiplication of even with even again becomes the even function. So the integral of this even function becomes equals to 4 by t multiplied with 2. This is 0 to t by 2 f of t into cos n omega t dt. So we'll get some values for this a naught and an here. Coming to the bn, this is integral minus t by 2 to t by 2. This is f of t is the even function, and sin n omega naught t is the odd function. N omega t is the odd function. So the multiplication of even and odd becomes odd function. So the integral of minus t by 2 to t by 2 odd function is always equals to 0. We know that. So here the bn becomes 0. We have only the a naught and an terms. Coming to the trigonometric Fourier series, this a naught we can call it as the DC term, and an is the quotient of the cosine term, and bn is the quotient of the sine term. Then the bn becomes 0 here, so we don't have any sine terms in the Fourier series. We have only cosine terms. So the answer is DC and cosine terms will exist only for even time function of the Fourier series.